My name is Meredith, and I am from Summit Academy Schools in Flat Rock, Michigan. And Mr. Peace came and visited us today and gave an assembly with our K through 8th grade. I have to say that the students loved it. I enjoyed it. The reason we brought Mr. Peace in is because I have a 5th grade son at another school that came home raving about how much he learned, and he really felt empowered. He had me watch the videos, and he enjoyed it so much he wanted to come watch it again. So I definitely know that whatever is going on, it's reaching the kids. I would highly recommend him for any school. Our school is a very diverse school, and I truly believe that the message hit home with some of them, that they are important regardless of what they're told, how they feel, or what's going on in their life, that they can still be the change, and they are important, and that every single one of them matters. It's nice to hear that from an outsider and not just the people that they see every day. I think sometimes they feel like we're our teachers, or we're their teachers and we love them, so we have to say that, even though it's not true. So to have someone else come in and really share that message, I really hope that it hits home with them, and I think with some of them it does. So thank you.